Hello, magandang araw and welcome. Ako si Mystica Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light. Sa inyong Tagalog love reading, ngayon na mismo. Okay, so August 1 ngayon. So bagong buwan, kaya naman gagawa tayo ng bagong reading. And tingnan natin kung ano yung masasagap kong energy from the collective. So this is a love reading for the month of August para sa lahat ng Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So tingnan natin kung ano masasagap kong energy. And since this is a collective reading, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Best na mag-book kayo ng personal private reading. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. Okay. So, first time ko itong gagawin sa channel ko. This is what I call aguhon spread. Aguhon is the Tagalog for compass. At ginagawa ko to sa mga pop-up readings ko. So, let's do this here. Also, first time ko rin gagawin na 3 decks ang gagamitin ko sa aking reading. Okay? So, balimbunot ako ng 3 cards. One from each deck for the south direction. Okay? So, then west, then east, then north. Tapos explain ko mamaya while I'll do each direction. Ano yung trio na yan. Para saan? Ano yung energy niya. Okay, but before that, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Earth signs na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystica Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated ng inyong love and support. Sana patuloy niyo pong supportahan by liking this video and commenting below, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading na ito after niyo mapanood hanggang dulo. Okay, and if bago kayo sa aking channel at nagko-connect kayo sa akin at sa mga readings ko, sana mag-subscribe na rin po kayo para mag-grow pa yung aking channel. Okay? At marami pa akong love readings na magawa tulad nito para sa inyo. Okay? And salamat po. Okay, so sisimulan natin sa pagbunot ng 2 cards from the Oracle deck. So that would be the overall energy ng reading na ito. Okay? And from there, interpret natin siya further kung bakit yun yung overall energy for the earth signs. Okay? At dahil August na ngayon, I'll get the 8th card. Okay? So first card, dignity. Okay? Second card, love. Nice. Okay, so para sa earth signs, this August, the overall energy para sa mga natap ko yung energy, there's so much love in the connection, and I think sinasabi lang dito also to, when it comes to love din, may tendency lang siguro na mag all out kayo when it comes to love, na minsan na-neglect nyo na yung dignidad ninyo. Ayun, yun yung, kasi diba, minsan may tendency tayo nga na, sige, bigay ng bigay. Well, you know that it's rooted siya sa love, diba? Pero minsan kailangan natin ng konting preno. Okay? Kasi medyo parang nawawala na yung sense of dignity and pride natin sa sarili. Kasi alam mo yun, lahat binibigay na lang natin dun sa person natin. Okay? But again, hindi masama na magmahal ng sobra-sobra, pero dapat din, huwag natin kalimutan yung sarili natin. We should still have self-respect. Okay? Kasi minsan, yun nga, I think yung nasasagap kong energy dito from the collective is, yes, mapagmahal kayo, all out kayo when it comes to love. Pero to the point na nawawala na yung self-respect. Okay, so careful on that. And I guess, makikita natin yung detalye sa mga directions na babasahin natin. Okay, so let's start with this deck. So si South, okay, well, let's begin with the South. Okay, so si South is where you're coming from, or bakit ito yung energy din, overall energy, ano yung root cause, bakit may ganitong energy sa inyo. Okay, sa mga Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn na nakasubaybay ngayon. So first card, Temperance. Okay? Sige, cut ko muna ito. Ito muna pala. Okay, the Oops! Sorry. The Chariot. Okay. And last card. Sorry naman. Diba? Just have to knock on it. Last card. Next side lang. Oh! The Devil. True. Tama. Yung energy kasi. Okay. Sige. So first, diba? Bakit ito yung energy? Yes, when it comes to tatlong major arcana pa sabay-sabay sa south direction in your where it's coming from, itong energy na to. Okay? So, first, okay? I think it's a call kasi medyo, yun nga, Temperance card is a card of moderation. Okay? Pero, as I mentioned earlier, may, in-elaborate lang yan, ng universe para sa inyo. Walang moderation pagdating sa pagmamahal ninyo. Alam niyo yun, yung parang talagang bigay kayo ng bigay lahat. Regardless kung anong love language man yan. Kung if it's whatever it is, gift, service, time, okay, physical touch, words of affirmation. I mean, yung alam nyo na hindi siya na-reciprocate equally. Okay? Pero todo pa rin kayo. Parang wala kayong boundaries din. Okay? And ano pa siya? Parang kasi the Chariot, you really have to kailangan nyo siyang gawa ng paraan. You have to take action. Okay? And bakit? Isipin nyo, bakit ba kayo bigay ng todo? Ano ba yung intention talaga? Okay? You ask yourself, ano yung intention? May mga insecurities ba kayo? May fear ba kayo na iiwan kayo ng person ninyo? Okay? Or dahil ba yan sa mga past experiences ninyo na feeling ninyo dahil hindi kayo nagpaka-all out, didn't end well? Okay? Alamin nyo kasi hindi na siya nakakatulong. Okay? It's, yun nga, parang have some self-respect. Okay? Kasi, kaya din parang hindi siya na-reciprocate. For some of you, it's an energy. It's not really good energy. Okay siya, fine. You love. Pero, yun nga, parang wala na kayong boundaries, self-respect. napapansin nyo ng person ninyo. Okay, na parang, bakit, ano to? And dahil wala kang self-respect, um, hindi directly na sinasabi, wala akong respeto sa'yo. Pero, it's giving this vibe kasi dun sa person ninyo na parang, kahit siya, parang napapaisip, bakit itong person na to, wala man lang, parang tinitira sa sarili niya. Okay? Well, for some, may mga tao, like, especially the devil here, takes advantage of that. Okay? Careful. Kasi may mga tao talaga na, okay, bigay naman siya ng bigay, so I don't have to make an effort. Okay? Kasi, todo effort ka na eh. Bakit pa siya mag-e-effort? So, kaya nagkakaroon ng hindi balance sa relationship. Kaya parang nagiging enabler ka eh dun sa person mo na hindi mag-effort or mag-reciprocate sa'yo. Okay? Here, the devil energy is showing up. And the devil energy is a card of manipulation din. So, may tendency, madali kang mamanipulate ng person mo. Okay? Kasi nga, parang kita niya na, ay, mahal na mahal naman ako nitong mahal na mo naman ako. Parang gano'n na, okay lang, sige, I'll just take advantage of it. Okay? So, kung nasa sitwasyon kayo na ganito, kailangan nyo nang mag-isip-isip, kailangan nyo nang, you have to take action as shown here by the chariot. And alamin nyo nga, ano ba yung intention niyo, bakit todo kayo bigay. Okay? And you have to overcome this. Okay? Kasi there's this devil energy. It might look good, okay, sa surface, na parang kung ibang tao or people who's unaware, na parang, okay siya, okay ka kasi you love ng todo-todo. Pero when in fact, it's becoming a toxic trait na on your part. And na-enable mo yung toxic behavior din ng person mo na mag-take advantage lang sa'yo. Okay? So, careful on that. Okay? Now, let's see, and I think nakikita ko na kahit hindi ko pa nabubunot. Kasi si West energy, it's what's behind you, or yung energy, experiences, habits, okay, mindsets na kailangan mo na i-let go kasi it's not helping you anymore, it's not serving you anymore. Okay? So, alamin natin. So, first card, Knight of Coins. As Two of Wands, yes. And Five of Swords. See? Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, may kailangan mo na talagang i-let go yung wala kang boundaries. So, first, with the Knight of Coins, it's a card of responsibility. Actually, you're responsible talaga dun sa actions mo. Kasi ikaw naman din talaga yung todo effort. Kahit alam mo na walang bumabalik sa'yo, parang give ka pa rin ng give, walang boundaries. Ako dito, it's time. Kasi, and responsibility yun, hindi siya, well, your person also has a responsibility to reciprocate properly, pero doon nga, na-enable siya. Okay? So, yung responsibility din niya sa relationship, parang hahayaan mo lang din kasi parang natotolerate mo yung way dahil nga sa actions din na ginagawa mo. So first, you have to really reflect on what you're doing sa connection and have the responsibility then to resolve it at ayusin yun. Okay? Kung in denial ka pa at the moment, this is Sana nakakatulong to na kung nasa ganyang situation ka. Okay? Kailangan mo na talagang mag-decision din. Especially now, nakakabit siya with Two of Wands. And si Two of Wands is making the right decision. Okay? Ano ba yung gusto mo? Okay? Gusto mo ba talaga to? Kasi nakikita ko yung energy hindi. Hindi mo gusto na bigay ka rin ng bigay tapos walang bumabalik sa'yo. Walang tao na may gusto din ng ganyan. Diba? Pero you have to really minsan awkward sa feeling na parang risk kasi ito for you na parang pag binago mo siya yung actions mo towards the relationship. Kapag nag-set ka ng boundaries, medyo at first maninibago yung katawan mo doon Dahil parang yun nga, your default setting, di ba, is to give and give and give, di ba? Kahit ubos na ubos ka na. Okay? Pero pag nag-set ka ng boundaries, at first, maninibago at magiging awkward, parang may withdrawal na nangyayari sa'yo. Pero eventually, it will help you. Kasi here with the Five of Swords, showing up here, it's saying talaga na ang daming red flag na rin ng person mo. Pero parang hindi mo siya nakikita or natotolerate mo nga siya. Dahil ayun nga, parang yung may default setting ka na, sige, ibigay na lang, gano'n. I'll just continue loving this person kasi that yun yung tingin mo na parang proper way para magstay kayo, para hindi ka niya iwan. Pero yun nga ba talaga yung gusto mo? Again, sabi ko kanina, ano ba yung intention for doing it? Kasi with the Five of Swords showing up here, ang daming conflict. Conflicting siya talaga sa, alam mo yun, yung actions na ginagawa mo, nagko-conflict siya sa desires mo, sa anong gusto talaga ng puso mo. Kaya hindi ka, nahihirapan ka rin mag-decide. Okay? Ano yung dapat gawin? Kasi conflicting Yung parang gusto mo siya, pero actually ayaw mo siya. Okay? And then, ang ginagawa mo is something that you don't want to do. Alright? So, it's the energy that you really have to let go of kasi it's not serving you anymore. So, yeah. Okay? Galaw-galaw. Alright? So, now let's see. East direction. So, si East, yun yung mga potential opportunities or challenges this month. Okay? Na pwede mong kaharapin. Okay? When it comes to the connection. Okay? And, yeah, let's find out. First one, see? Three of Swords. Yeah, this is a challenge. Ay. Medyo na-feel ko naman na din na it's a challenge kaysa opportunity. Okay, Ten of Cups, yeah. Okay, challenge na pwedeng mong maiwasan at maging opportunity pa siya for you. Yes, see, Five of Coins. Ayan. So, dalawang unhappy energy. So, it's really a challenge. Alam mo yun, sige, explain ko. Ten of Cups muna. Alam mo, gusto mo talaga sa isang relasyon is something long-term. Okay, with the Ten of Cups energy, para titignan, kaya explain ko bakit naging challenge siya. Challenge tuloy yan sa'yo ngayon. Hindi mo makita talaga, parang from one relationship to another, hanggat hindi mo binabago or hanggat hindi ka rin nagkakaroon talaga ng boundaries, okay, at wala kang self-respect, kahit gustuhin mo talaga itong Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups energy similar to the Lover's card. Love, okay, emotional stability, yung union na long-term, na happy, okay, as you can see here, di ba? Parang, yan, couple sila, tapos may family, tapos ang saya nila, tapos parang happily ever after, with the rainbow here, di ba? Gusto yun talaga ng puso at isip mo. Yun yung gusto mo, yun yung minamanifest mo. Pero, hindi siya nagre-reflect nga dahil may block, okay, dito sa energy na to. Kahit gusto mo yung mangyari hanggat hindi mo naayos to, okay, patuloy lang na take advantage ka at hindi mo lang nahahanap yung happy relationship, long-term relationship na gusto mo. With the Three of Swords here, ayan, kasi nakakabit siya. Three of Swords, so to say, I'm just interpreting ano yung lumalabas sa card. Three of Swords is a card of heartbreak, emotional pain, okay, and in separation or breakup na in the end talagang nag-fail lagi yung relationship, nag-end siya into a heartbreak. And nakikita ko dito na ayaw mo nang ma-stuck sa cycle ngayon. Na may in love ka, at bibigay mo lahat, iiwan ka, diba? Tapos mamahal ka ulit, bibigay mo lahat, iiwan ka. Dahil nga, it's not a good energy and you have to work on it. For some of you, especially, there's a devil energy na namamanipulate ka nga, natitake advantage ka. For some of you, ang daming cheating incident na parang pinapalampas nyo pa. Parang, wala ka talagang boundaries. Niloko ka na't lahat. Cheat ka na. In-accept mo pa rin siya sa life mo. Parang ganon. For some of you, Kaya, here, see, Five of Coins, it's also a card of loss. Okay? Five of Coins is lack of love and affection. Kasi first, sa sarili mo palang towards you, dahil lahat palabas yung love, wala kang tinitira sa sarili mo. Okay? So, it's, alam mo yun, Five of Coins is a card of poverty, and here it's like poverty and love. Okay? Parang, sobrang lacking yung love towards you, yourself. Okay, kaya dapat now you have to work on love yourself. Okay, fill your cup before you can fill others. Okay, and it's time. May balik mo yung self-respect or dignity na to when it comes to love. Kasi it's really a challenge. Hindi mo ma-achieve to. Kasi tingnan mo, yung nakakabit, talagang yung umiipit, yung sumasandwich sa kanya is are negative energies. So you have to remove this. Maiwan yung gitna. Yeah. And you'll be happy. Have a happily ever after relationship. Okay? Ayan. So, ayan. Next, north direction. Okay, ito na. Ano yung north is your next move or ano yung best action moving forward or the path to take. Okay? And I think same lang din yung magiging message pero let's see for ano pa yung mga nakakabit doon. So first card, si The Magician. Diba? Galing. Moving forward. Yes, The Magician. With, see, Five of Cups. And last, Six of Wands. Okay. Okay. So, ito naman, okay, moving forward, the best action to take is, The Magician is, yun yung sabi ko pa lang, ito yung minamanifest mo. You have what it takes. Kaya mo actually. Okay? The Magician card, kaya, willpower lang talaga ang kailangan mo. Okay? You have to do it. Okay? You have to make it happen. Alam kong dinidesire mo talaga yung happy relationship. And now, you found out ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Take action. Okay? And again, sabi ko kanina dito na, lumabas din dito na responsibilidad mo yun. Okay? To work on it, you have to take the initiative and what you're manifesting will materialize. Okay? Kasi yung pag-take action, yun yung hindi mo pala pag-take ng action, yun yung nagiging hindrance sa pagkakaroon mo ng happy relationship. Okay? Kasi here, again, lumabas si Five of Cups. Okay? Tingnan mo, ang dami mong 5, lahat na except the 5 of Wands na lang yung kulang, but you have 5 of Coins, 5 of Swords, now with 5 of Cups. Okay? Kailangan mo na talaga na gawin. 5 of Cups is, again, ang mangyayari kasi pag hindi mo to tinake action, mas magiging regret siya. 5 of Cups is a card of regret, a card of sadness. Okay? The more you don't take action or initiative at kung wala kang willpower, the more you're going to be sad and lonely and maraming regrets. Okay? So you have to really do something about it. Kasi kung nagawa mo yon, okay, ma-work out mo to, matatanggal siya. 6 of Wands will yun yung mangingibabaw na energy, si 6 of Wands. And ano yung 6 of Wands? 6 of Wands is a card of victory, success. Ipapanalo mo to. Ganong energy, di ba? Magsasucceed ka sa pagkakaroon ng minamanifest mo na long-term happy relationship na hindi mo na kailangan na magpaka all out at maubos yung love na kaya mo ibigay, bagkus magiging stable siya. Okay? Magkakaroon ng harmony, magkakaroon ng balance, magkakaroon ng moderation. Okay, you have to work on this. Self-respect, boundaries, love for yourself. And that's when, pag nag-overflow na yung love within, that's the time na makakapagbigay ka ng tama sa iba. At ng marami pang reserves sa iyo. Okay? So, kaya mo yan. So, again, if you're in this situation, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Sana nabigyan ko kayo ng insight and guidance sa reading na to. Always use my reading with discernment. Okay? Nasa kamay pa rin natin ang ating kapalaran. We all have free will and have to use it wisely. Okay? And before I end, sa mga earth signs na nakasubaybay, you might be dealing with the signs na Sagittarius, okay? Cancer, Capricorn, okay? Gemini, and Virgo. Okay? So, doesn't have to, yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. So, pero check nyo rin yung kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising placements. Baka yun yung mga signs din nila sa placements na yun. Okay? So, kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Ingat!